Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu, and we are doing page 27. Practice 4, rounding numbers to estimate. Mark each number on the number line. So we're going to mark by putting an X each number on the number line. So if you look at the example is 450, and we know that 450 is right in the middle between 400 and 500. And if you don't know that, we can count. Well, we know that we're breaking these up by tens, because we have 10 slashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know we're counting by tens. So this is 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, and 450. So we put the X on 450. So let's do number 1, 330. So again, we have 10 slashes. We know we're counting by tens. And now let us count by tens to find out where 330 is. So this is 300, 310, 320, and 330 is right over there. Okay, let's do the next one, 185. So here we go. That's 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, and right here we have 180, and this is 190, but we're looking for 185, so that means we are looking at the middle between 180 and 190. So hit pause, try to do this one yourself. This is 2,204. Good luck, and get started. And when you come back, we'll do the ones on the bottom. So welcome back. We're going to do the number 4 now. This is fill in the blanks. We know right now that 570 is near to 600. They put an X on 570. And we know that it's closer to 600 than to 500. So 570 is 600 when we round to the nearest 100. Let's look at number 4. 845, would they put the X over there? So 845 is near to, so this X and this number 845 is near to 800 than to 900. And let's write that in right now. So 845 is near to 800 than to 900. So that means 845 is 800 when we round off, when we round to the nearest 100. Okay, let's do the next page. You guys go ahead and do number 5. Again, hit pause, do number 5, and when you come back, we'll do the ones on the bottom. Get started. Okay, welcome back. Here we go. You should have done number 5, and let's do the next problem. Decide whether to find an estimate or an exact answer. Solve. So here's the example we have. An organization has about 600 members. The greatest possible numbers of members this can be is 649, because when we round off 649, we get about 600. The least possible number of members could be 550, because again, when we round off 550, we rounded to 600. So let's look at number 6. Tanya had $900. After buying 2 of these items, she has $210 left. A. How much do the 2 items cost? B. Which 2 items does she buy? So when we do word problems, we like to do it one sentence at a time, and we draw pictures to help us understand this. So here we go. Tanya had $900. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw a simple circle, and I'm going to put $900 in it to represent how much money Tanya had. So Tanya has $900. After buying 2 of these items, she has $210 left. So after she buys something out of these $900, she has, I'm going to draw a line, $210 left. Let's put that number over here. So she has $210 left. And that means she took her $900, she bought something, and we don't know what that something is. She bought 2 items over here, and she has $210 left. And if you look at this, this looks just like a number bond. And we know that in order to figure this empty space out, or this blank, and again, these are the items that she bought, we take 900 and we take that away from 210. So we're doing 900 minus 210, and that's going to give you my answer for the 2 items that I bought. So here we go. Let's do our mental math. Let's do 900, so take away 200 first. So 900 take away 200 gives me 700. And then I take another $10 away after that, and that gives me 690. So we know right now that the 2 items cost 690. I'm going to put that number right over here. How much do the 2 items cost? And we know right now that 2 items cost 690. B, which 2 items does she buy? So let's look at this. We know right now, I'm going to put that little $sign there. We know right now, hold on a sec. Let's put the $sign to make it easier. So right now the 2 items cost again 690. And right now, which 2 items does she buy? Because we are looking for 2 items that go up to 690, when we look at our items at the bottom, well, 130 is kind of small, 120 is kind of small, but here we go. We have a 450 and 240, and when we estimate those 2 numbers, that gives me close to 600, almost 600 something, almost 700. So here we go. We have 450 plus 240. Again, let's use mental math, add my hundreds first. So 450 plus 200 gives me 650. And then add another 40, which gives me actually 690. So which 2 items does she buy? She buys the TV, I'm going to circle that, and the washing machine. And there you go. Now we've done that page. Okay, thanks for watching.